Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to mark one of the table as a date table. Whenever possible, it is a good idea to rename objects like tables and columns to make them easier to identify in tools and client reporting applications. Inside the model designer, I'm going to click on this table called dim date. I'm going to be marking the dim date table as the date table. To begin, I'm going to rename this column that is called full date alternate key. So just by double clicking inside the column, it allows you to rename it. So I've renamed the column to date to make it easier to identify and also to include in formulas. Make sure you select the column called date, the new date column, and then in the property window on the right here, make sure that under data type, it is showing up as date. Next, click on the extensions option here in the menu, go to table and then click on date and then select mark as date table. In the dialog box, there is a drop down. Make sure that you've got date specified. This is usually selected by default and then click OK. We have now marked the table as a date table.